Okay, step 2, we're going to tin the pads. Firstly, with some dodgy solder. And you'll note there's not a great deal of care needed. Just make sure you've got the pads with a bit of solder on them. And I'll just turn that temperature up a bit. And so even though it looks a bit dodgy, we will still be able to make a good board with this, functioning, but it won't look as nice as the next board. So we're just sort of slapping it around. Got the iron set for supposedly 434 Chinese degrees, whatever that means. And we're just kind of going to town. Right, oh, over here as well. Let's see if we can get these, oh yeah, they're not too bad. Bit of solder on there. Just gently dragging it across the pads. Not too worried about the excess at this time. Okay, that's that one tinned, ready for parts to go on it. Let's try it again with the good solder.